How to make a thumbnail in Canva. Guys, see, I don't have a Canva Pro, and many of you guys don't have Adobe Photoshop or any other app. So guys, you can make a very good thumbnail in Canva. I'm going to make a thumbnail of this video. So let's begin. Open your Canva, select YouTube thumbnail. Now you can choose from all these thumbnails. These thumbnails are really good. Look at this passive income idea. Swap this face and put your face here. Look at this. You can use this. You can change the text you want and you can do whatever you want. I'm going to create a custom thumbnail so you can see and you can do yourself. But if you want to choose from all this, free feel to choose because they are really nice. See this is one, a finance one, this motivation thumbnail, and this is gaming thumbnail, shocking moments. So these are all good designs, guys. See, vlog thumbnail, these are all good designs, but let's make it our own. So I will make thumbnail regarding this video, how you can make thumbnail on Canva. So let's see what I can do. Let's first select a black rectangle. Yeah, okay, and let's just So yeah guys, the thumbnail is ready. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.